Namaskar, I am Miss Siddhi Padvekar from Dr. Tatasaheb Nathu College of Arts and Senior College of Commerce, Margatamane. At present, I am reading in SYBA. In my college, Forum for Value Education has been formed. Under its speeches on various writers and social reformers are being present by both teachers and students. Today I am trying to reveal my understanding of a famous English writer E.M. Foster. William Foster was born on 1st January 1879. He was an English novelist, short stories writer and essayist. His novels have ironical plots. They examine class differences and hypocrisy in early 20th century British society. He is famous for his novels A Room with a View, Howard's End, and A Passage to India. He was nominated for the Nobel Prize in Literature in 16 separate years. Foster has 5 novels published in his lifetime. The novel The Longest Journey describes the life of a struggling writer. His novel A Room with a View is optimistic by nature. His next novel Howard's End is about an ambitious condition of England. It was adapted as a film in 1992. His greatest success is his novel A Passage to India that describes the relation between East and West. His novel was adapted as a film in 1960. It was adapted as a film in 1984. His novel Maurice is a homosexual love story. It explores the possibility of class reconciliation. It was adapted as a film in 1987. He even attempted the historical novel but was not satisfied with its result. So it was never published. His works always describe the virtues of personal connection, describe the restriction of contemporary society. As a humanistic, he used curiosity, a free mind, belief in good taste, and belief in good human race. His novel reveals his use of symbolism and his attachment to mysticism. In his novel, he has described characters from various countries. So they reveal cultural conflicts. They also deal with humanism and cosmopolitanism. As the student of literature, I have liked his humanistic approach to life, and it is the need of today. Thank you.